Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about earphones that are not turning on. The specific earphones that I'm referring to are the Beats Flex earphones that you see right there. And this will be a tutorial for fixing it easily. So if you have this rare problem, I'm going to be going over a few simple steps, 5 steps to be specific, that will hopefully help you fix the problem. Let's get right into the video. Number 1, the first thing to consider is the question of, are they actually charged? I know that you might have left them charging last night and you think they're fully charged, but maybe you don't know this, but maybe your son, your daughter, your neighbor, your wife, your husband used them and now they're not charged anymore. Now they do have a long battery life, but you might think that they're charged, and I want you to be certain that they're charged, okay? Because if they're not charged, obviously that's going to be one of the reasons why they won't turn on, okay? That brings me to number 2. The second solution is to just charge them for half an hour. I know you might think that they're fully charged. Maybe you charged them, but maybe the wall outlet stopped working for one reason or another. The charging cable stopped working. So just charge them for half an hour. Literally plug them in, look for the charging light indicator, and make absolutely sure that they are charging for half an hour. And when you unplug them, you'll have half an hour of a charge, which is a lot more time of listening time. So you can be certain that they're charged enough to work, okay? And then that leads me to number 3. If they still don't turn on, you're gonna move on to number 3. My fingers weren't on the screen there. Number 3 is to press the power button firmly for 1 second. A lot of people think that they can turn on Beats just by going like that, right? But you can't. Look, I can go like this. It's not going to turn them on. It doesn't want you to accidentally turn them on or turn them off. You need to be deliberate with how you're turning them on, okay? So that means press the power button for about 1 second, like this, okay? And when you see that light go on, they're powered on. You can also press it for 1 second to turn them off, just like that. Now, when you press that power button, I want you to press it firmly. Make sure you're getting a good grip and a good press on it. Because if you're just going like this and you're like, oh, look, they're not turning on, they're not turning on, they're not turning on. That's the reason why. You're not pressing it with enough deliberation, okay? You're not pressing it deliberately enough. I'm not even sure if deliberation is a word. But we're going to pretend it's a word for now, okay? So that's number 3. That leads me to number 4. If number 3 doesn't work, you're going to move on to number 4, numero quattro, as they like to say in Italian. I have an Italian background. I was born in Canada. My parents moved to Canada when they were like 4 and 2 years old, so they were really young. But I was very close with my grandparents before they all passed away. Well, one of my grandparents passed away before I was born, but 3 of my 4 grandparents I was super close with. So I picked up a lot of Italian. So numero quattro, which is number 4, enough about me, back to the video over here, is to try connecting them to the phone or device and try playing some audio. Now, I'll tell you why. You might think that they're not powering on, but this light right here might just not be working. It's very rare, but it's very possible, okay? So press this for a second and release it, okay? And I'll try one more time because I didn't even press it deliberately enough. Press it for a second like this and release it. And try connecting to the Bluetooth, the Beats Flex via Bluetooth from your phone. So you're gonna try connecting to the Beats Flex earphones via Bluetooth from your phone or your device, okay? If it doesn't work, try pressing it for a second again and releasing it, okay? And try it again. I'll tell you why. Maybe you think they're not powering on, but in reality, maybe they're powering on, but the light isn't working. If you can connect to them and play audio through them, and there's no light here, all that means is that the light isn't working. They're powering on, but the light isn't working. So try that out. And the last thing that you got to do for number 5, if nothing else works, is to factory reset the earphones. Really, really easy to do. I did a separate video on it, but I'll tell you really quickly. You want to press and hold down the power button as well as the volume down button simultaneously for about 15 seconds. When you hold them down together for 15 seconds, that light is going to flash red a couple of times. That means you factory reset them. You're going to obviously have to connect them to a device again, but literally, it's that simple. Sometimes you just need to reset them, and maybe that will do the trick. But that is it. If your Beats Flex earphones are not turning on, this is a tutorial for fixing it easily with 5 simple steps. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.